Hey guys, welcome to this PiggyVest review. And this is exactly how I lost my money on PiggyVest. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ubonke and I am your friend and I'm looking to make new friends every day. So click the subscribe button so we could be friends and you could see my everyday videos and new drops. Having said that, let's get right into the video. This is PiggyVest, it's a platform where you can save your money, invest your money, and grow your money. Especially for people who can't really see their monies in their bank account. You always feel like spending, you always feel like buying. You're that kind of person that you're making money, but at the end of the month, you have nothing inside of your bank account. This platform was created just for you, okay? And it's a very nice platform, believe me. I use it a whole lot to save my money in Naira. I use it a whole lot to put away spare cash money I would have used to flex for the weekend, party, and all of that. I put it in my PiggyVest, and I'll advise you to do same. Now, here is exactly how I lost my monies on this platform, and I want you exactly not to do the same thing. Okay, so if you come on this platform quickly, you will see where it says flex dollar. Now you can only lose your monies on this platform if you will be working with dollars. But so for anyone who will be saving naira, doing your naira stuff, you don't even have nothing to worry about. But if you're considering saving naira on this platform, saving dollars rather on this platform, then you have to be very very careful. If not, you're going to lose a lot of your money. Okay, so now if you come on dollar section, you see that I have $0 here. Now, if you come down here and click on convert to naira, okay, let's assume I have some dollars on this platform and I want to convert to naira. You can see the rate right here is 1,485. So that means if I have $10, or if I want to convert my $10 to naira, I'm going to be having 14,850 naira. Okay, now let's assume I want to buy dollars on this platform. I want to fund my wallet with the equivalent of $10. Look at the rate. The rate here is 1,545. So they are giving you these dollars at this rate of 1545, but they are taking it from you at the earlier rate which we saw, which is like 1485. So I lost my money on this platform by coming here and then buying dollars worth 500 dollars equivalent. So they sold it for me at this rate. But when I wanted to sell my $500, I simply went here to convert to naira. If you try to sell $500 at this rate, you see that you're going to lose a whole lot of money because of this differences. So my advice to you is, if you're dealing with dollars on this platform, then you have to be really careful. If not, the changes and the uncertainties in the exchange rates of the daily dollars. You know how naira and dollar issue is every day in this country. The differences will really really eat into your money. If you really want to convert your dollars to naira, then you could send it to your bank. I think this is an alternative solution where you could just come here, select the destination banks, okay, and then fix in the amount you want, the bank and all of that, and then tap send to the bank. It will say it will take 48 hours to process. If you are fine with that, then that's cool. So instead of losing out on the exchange which you get on PiggyVest, you could easily send it to your bank and then from your bank withdraw it and go to the nearest FX, Aboki, Brady change guys, and all of that, and get your naira. So that is exactly how I lost money on this platform. Now back to the review of the website. The website is PiggyVest is really cool. It's really nice. You can see I like the UI UX of this website. Everything here is clean and clear. So you see the PiggyVest home section, savings, invest, account. And when you come here, you can see the app. You can also get this on your Play Store. So it's very easy for you to easily access your monies. Okay. So this is one section I really want you to look at on this platform. First, it is savings. You see, you can Picky Bank. Picky Bank is a feature on this website. Flex Naira, Save Lock, Flex Dollar, Target, and Pocket App. Okay, so Picky Bank is where you could save your money, strict savings, and it automatically you could make it daily, you could make it weekly or monthly, and you get 12% per annum. So if you're saving ₦1,000,000, for example, in the Piggy Bank, you could be saving that daily, weekly. A million, you could be saving like 1,000 naira daily. It will be automatically sent to your piggy bank. maybe from your total balance, automatically send 1,000, or maybe depending on how much you want to do. I think the least is 100 naira. So you could be doing 100 naira every day, 500 naira every day, 1,000 every day, whatever amount you want to do every day. You could set it daily, you could set it weekly, or you could set it monthly. Anyhow, you just want to do it. But you're gonna have 12% of those savings at the end of the year per annum. We have Flex Naira. It's flexible savings for emergency. It has free transfers, withdrawals, and you can have 8% per annum just by having your funds in Flex Naira. So if you looked at my balance earlier, I have my own balance in Flex Naira. What that means is if I need my money at any point in time, I could just click on withdraw and then use it, to do what I want to do. Safe lock is when you lock your money to avoid temptations. That means you just lock that money there. You don't want to use that money. You don't want to touch that money. So you just lock it there. So you're going to get 13% per annum upfront. This is really tempting because, for example, if I say I want to lock this money in the safe lock, I'm going to get 13% upfront and they're going to take this my money. And so that means they're going to give me this money at the end of the year. Meanwhile, they're going to give me 13%, which is, I think, is up to 13,000 naira. Okay, I think that should be around them. That should be around there. 13% of 100,000 naira. Yeah, that should be 13,000 naira. So they're going to take my money and give me just 13,000 naira. And they're going to take my 100,000 for a whole year. Really? Okay. So that is for the save lock feature. Next is the target. You reach your unique individual savings goals, 11% per annum. So we all have targets. For example, I have to pay my house rent. You have to pay your children's school fees if you're married. You have to buy that new car. You have to finish building a house. You have to, complete that particular project. We all have several projects we want to do. So with this target, you just set your target. Okay, I need 5 million naira, and then you set your target. How you gonna be saving up to achieve that 5 million naira? Oh, I think I've been logged out. Okay, let's quickly finish up on this page. I don't want to go try to log into my profile right here. So you can see targets. Then flex dollar. This is where you save in dollars. And the good thing about this is while your dollars is here, you could get 7% per annum. Wow. This is the only interesting, this is one of the interesting parts or feature of this platform, because had it been I didn't rush out to take my dollars out of here, my $500, 7% of on that $500 would have actually given me up to, I think, $35 plus in profit, which is something actually. But my only problem is that $35 per annum. So I have to keep that $500 right here for a whole year in order to get just $35, which is somehow bad. But when you look at it, that when you save the dollar, maybe the dollar rate exchange to naira was around 700, and right now the exchange is around 1415, as you saw when we checked the dollar side earlier. If you look at that, then you're already on gain some good profit. So from 500 to 15, that's a lot of growth already on that money. Then you see get 7% added. Pocket app, it's like a withdraw your savings to your pockets fast. Okay, so you can connect to that if you want. So these are the features, some of the features on this website that I really, really love a whole lot. Now, in the investments part, so many people want to invest, and this is a great opportunity too for you to, invest your money. So why is it not loading? My balance should load up. Okay, I don't want to go refresh that. I don't want to go refresh the website so it doesn't lock me out. But let's refresh anyways. Let's see. Okay, I think my balance should come up. Okay, but for now, okay, my balance is not up since I've not invested. I've not invested anything for now. Okay, you see completed. So I'm done. I've completed my investment. I've not invested anything for now. So you see you can get up to 25% per annum on invest when you invest. So these are the sections to invest in: fixed income, real estate, agriculture, and transportation. So you can see corporate note series, XXIV, 5,000 naira per unit. We already have 496 investors and it's sold out already. You get 12% in 8 months. So you do your maths. 12% in 8 months. So if you have 100,000 naira invested, that means you're going to have 20 units, since each unit is 5,000 naira, and then 12.6% of 100,000 naira in 8 months. Okay, so this 8.3 in 6 months, 5,000 units already sold out, sold out, sold out. So you could just come around, take your time, look at all of these investments. We have fixed real estate, agriculture, transportation. You just take your time, come around, take a look at all of these sections, and then see which ones is available for you to invest in. We have a 7 units of high yield luxury 3 bedroom apartment in Lekki, Lagos. So this is nice. You could invest in this if you have the money. This is 15,000 naira. So you could get 2 units or 2 shares. That could be 30, that should be 30,000 naira. You will get 5 shares. If you have the money, you can get 10 shares. That should be 150,000 naira. So 30% of 150,000 naira per annum. So I think this is one of the biggest I've seen so far. So if you have up to 2 million naira to put in here, 30% of 2 million naira, that should be 600,000 or so. So you're gonna have 600,000 at the end of the year. So this is a wonderful investment. I think I love this one. I'll look at it again. So you can see the rest are sold out, 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 sold out. So you just keep checking until you can see the ones that are not sold out. So yeah, this is a complete review of this platform. The invest section, which you can see fixed, real estate, agriculture, transportation. The savings section, which I showed you earlier. Okay, my balance is back in the savings section, which I showed you earlier. And then that is just basically all about PiggyVest. Then take note of the dollar section, which I showed you earlier, so you don't get to lose your money just like I did, or you don't get to face the changes in the exchanges rather, just like I did when I first came into this platform, not knowing I was bought the dollars from them at a higher rate. And when I wanted to sell my dollars, then I gave me something smaller. If you love this kind of reviews and you want me to keep doing more of this, do well to leave messages for me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the way I reviewed this website, leave comments for me in the comment section. Tell me what you love best. Tell me what you want me to review next. Let us be friends. Subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you soon again. Until then, my name is Bonke, your tech guy. See you and bye for now.